Hey YouTube, it's Toya Cherie and I'm here with this video. I'm going to show you how I do my half wig and I blend it in with my natural hair. So first what you want to do, well, this is what I do because I have my hair in braids, so this is like my protective style under my wigs and everything, you know. Okay, so I have my wig cap. So I just put my wig cap on like this. Just put it on. And of course I use, and then I'm gonna take these two front braids out. I only need a little bit of my hair out, so I'm gonna use these two braids. These two front braids, that's it. Show you there. So get everything else tucked in. Okay, so the half wig that I'm using today it's the Bohemian half wig, and it's in the style Turner. Okay, this is in a color 2, so that's the color of my hair, so we're gonna do color 2. So this is the wig. Now of course you see how the wig came pretty curly. The curls were pretty tight. So this is the wig, of course, right here. Now I didn't want my curls to be that tight. I'm like, nah, I don't need that tight, so I wanted it more of a loose wave. So doing that, I kind of stretched out the curls. So I took it and I pretty much braided it on each side, braid, and I stretched it and I put a little rubber band on the end of them. So I stretched it out. So not really hard. I mean, these half wigs, you know, they're not that hard to blend with your hair. So all you do, this comes with, of course, combs here on the top, and it comes with a comb at the bottom. So I'm just going to use the top comb. I'm going to find the top part of my hair, the part, and I'm going to put it in like so, and make sure that I clip it in at the top securely. So bam, you got it in. Make sure the whole clips are in and everything is tightly and secured. Okay, now pull it down over your hair, secure the back of the wig, and then you just want to go ahead and put the sides on. Oh Lord, no. Okay, so it was not the middle. Try again. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna take it out. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Undo the two braids. So we'll start on this side. And we'll take this one out. So see how it's more of a wavy texture, as far, you know, it's not the tight curls. So just want to to straighten it out a little bit. Now, take your braids and unbraid them. So see how that kind of blends with it. So you want to do the other side. See, like so. Real simple, real easy. It's just blending in your hair with the actual hair. And this works for me because it's the same color really as my hair. So now you can style it, you can swoop it over to the side if you want. So once you get it all untangled and all just blended in with the actual wig, you want to do your edges. Of course, I use Cream of Nature. That's what I use. So go ahead, take some, do your edges however you like, however you please. Lay them down really quick. Give me a little swoop here, there. Front. I mean, you can slick your edges down however you like. You can do whatever you like. And you're done. Like, that's it. Yes. Okay, for real. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. I mean, really simple, full, really cute. you like big hair, I like big hair, then this is the style for you. I mean, look at it. Here we go. Okay, I mean, again, you can play with this, style it how you want. And voila. Done. Done. Then go about your day. So yeah. Alright guys, this is it. I mean, it was a really quick, easy tutorial on how to blend your hair with a half wig. If you guys have any more questions, comments, let me know and I will get to them ASAP. So without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video.